Hi guys, so hopefully you saw my videos showing you that I had a little issue with a water line that goes to the washing machine. So I planned on doing a live chat today, and there's some info I wanted to relay then. In case you're busy, maybe you'll see this quick video, and if you're not tuned into Craft Day. But I'll have some links there for you guys. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. I'm super bummed because it is a really nice craft day, in my opinion. Things I've seen, and I picked up the Anna Griffin Wildflower Meadow scrapbooking collection early, so I did an unboxing with you guys. Today I wanted to work with it, but what are you gonna do? So I am bummed out because there's been a lot of fun things, but I did want to, in the chat, what I was going to do in the live chat is go ahead and let you know that a lot of the diamond press items that you might have already picked up did change in price. So you can get a price match for 30 days, right, from when you ordered, or actually from when it ships, so that's even better, but generally that's what it seems like. All these new ones, they did drop, $5 here and there. So if you picked it up early, just know that. And even the paint markers did go to $14.95 also. So definitely check into that. I wanted to make you guys aware. And so I'll have those things linked anyhow. And then Spellbinders began their spring cleaning warehouse sale. You guys, oh my goodness. This is one of the ones I always wait for. This one, I think the other one in November, possibly. When say huge deals $1, I'm, kind of scrolling through here. Stylish oval birthday wishes. This collection is really gorgeous. $1, right? Or even a better press plate, $1. I can't even. I mean, obviously there's some of the things that are a little higher, or like old kits, they're going to be a little bit higher. But here's $1 for this embossing folder, and the stitching die, $10. I love this sale. It's one of the greatest ones that they do. They have a little sale on the letterpress system, and generally you can still get your 10% off if you are a current member. So I will link to both the US and UK sites there, to the spring cleaning warehouse, you guys, their sale. I'm so sorry. I plan on being in making several videos tomorrow. I do have some other items that came in from HSN that I just haven't gotten to, so I do want to show you guys those, maybe some tutorials, obviously. Wednesday, unfortunately, I have my wisdom teeth removed, so maybe I'll be around Saturday. I don't know how I'll feel Thursday, Friday, so it's just, what bad timing for this water to have burst. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I super appreciate it. Thank you for all your kind words. And I know a lot of people were like, oh no, and yeah, it's been crazy. And the gentleman just left, and he got here pretty early this morning to work on it, so a full day for him almost. Just on that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll have links there as available. I know they have a ton of different things on sale too on HSN. I don't know if I can, these $9.95 deals. They're having that with a lot of different companies' items. So, all right, like this here, $9.95, $9.95. I don't know if you saw that. Sorry, I'm scrolling kind of fast. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, look at this. I didn't know the inks were $17.95 right now. Okay. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now. Oh my goodness, before I forget, I did pick up Create Crop at Home event, especially after this stressful day. And I usually get it for Mother's Day. I am treating myself to that. And yeah, I will definitely be attending. Fingers crossed. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll have links for all those things there. All right. See you at the next one. Bye now.